In this video, we are going to create 3D logo together using Canva. To start, come to Canva. When you get to Canva, type logo. When you type logo, it comes with various templates, but we'll be starting with the one that says create blank. So click on that. When you click on create blank, then it will bring you to this dashboard where you can start your logo creation. So click on text, select the biggest text type there, and then select your font, whatever. So type your logo letter. In this video, we are going to do split 3D logo letters. So we want to split these letters. So in this one, I'm going to use SM as the letters that will be representing my logo. Then increase it, enlarge it, so it can occupy a very good space in the work area or in your dashboard you're working with. After enlargement, make it to fit to size. Just enlarge it to your own taste, and then you go to element, and then you in your element you type line. So you can pick a line, either graphic line or straight line, anyone you feel like using. Then when you pick it, it comes to this place. So you enlarge it to fit the size that you want to use it for. And then you bend it, roll it to make sure that it's cut across the S and M at that right corner. You want to split the two alphabets. The next thing is to increase the width or the size of the line by clicking on that square box, selecting the size you want, increasing it. Can you see now I've been able to increase the width a bit so it can be more flexible? The next thing is go back to your element and then select a square with a color. When you click on that square, it comes to this work area with color. Then change it to the color you can easily work with, which is I'm using this pink. You can use any color. You will see the reason why we are using the color very soon. So rotate it to bend so as to be able to align it with the line you have created. Then increase that circle so that it can cover that first half of the alphabet and the square of the work area. When you have enlarged it very well, then you can now duplicate it and turn it around again to cover this other side. So I've right clicked and look for duplicate, and then drag it down here to cover this side also. So we need to rotate it so as to give us half square like the other one, to cover this other side of the what we are working with, in such a way that the two of them will cover one another and cover the whole alphabet. Let's see. So I still need to arrange it, adjust it. So yes, until it's perfect. Try to make it perfect by rotating and adjusting it to the right size. Okay, it's looking perfect now, looking almost cool. Then okay, then I will now cover the other areas that is still showing white. So let's cover it. That's cool. The next thing is to duplicate this page. So click on that plus sign on top of the page and duplicate that page. Then click on that first half of the square and then change it to white so that you can remove this pink down, and then the half will show. Then you do the same thing for the second page and click turn it to white and then delete the yellow, the pink page also. So we have two halves now in page 1 and page 2. Two halves of the 3 letters we want to turn to our logo in page 1 and page 2 now. Then the next thing is to download them. So click download and select page 1 to download the first one, which I'm doing now. Select it, page 1. Then click download and wait for it to download. Click page 2 for the second one and then click the download to download it. So I've downloaded the 2 now. The next thing is to duplicate the page 2 to turn to page 3 and then upload the 2 you have downloaded into Canva. And from that place, so I want to upload the 2 now. I'm uploading the first one right now. Click on upload and brings you to where you have downloaded it, and then you select the page 1, that's the first half of the logo, and then you come back again and do the same thing for 2. So once you have uploaded the 2, now that the 2 are on Canva, click on upload. You will see it on your upload dashboard. It's loading now. So these are the 2 on your first part. So click on each one of them so they can appear in your work area. When you click on the first one, click on crop it to cut away the white size, but not all of them shall. Just try to cut a bit, but you might not do it if you like. Then click on edit image and then click on remove background. So when you click remove background, it will remove that white background. It will relieve the logo half. Then do the same thing for the second one. Click on it from your, now I'm still trying to adjust this, so click on it from your upload area and then it comes here again. Click on the picture, do the cropping, then go and click on it again to show edit image. Click on edit image and then click on remove background. Once the background of the 2 images now are removed, we will now try to resize them to make them big and also to fit in. So that's what we are going to do next. So the first one, enlarge it and try to enlarge it. Okay, I'm trying to enlarge the second one to merge them together to look like what they used to be before, but now separated with the lines. So you can see the lines now. So we're going to merge them to fit into one another. Okay, until they match very well and are big enough and satisfied with their size and their matching. So trying to get it. Okay, almost there, almost there. Okay, so now let's click on the element again as we want to pick another square so that we can use to form another part of the logo. So we click on it, it's giving us black. We'll finally change it, but we want to arrange it to become a rectangle. Yes, you could drag it. We want to form a bit thick line under our logo, so drag it, just fit to size. That's what we want to do. Okay, I think it's looking nice now. The size is okay. And then the next thing for us is to change the color once we have perfected the size. So now as that one is done, we can now adjust it to fit. And the next thing is click on text, click on add that second text, whatever we want to write text. So click on the text and then just write whatever the motto of your logo should be or whatever, if there is need for writing logo. So this one I will just write just a click away, if that is our motto, or that's what is supposed to be a brief description of our business. So just a click away. Our logo is getting ready. So the next thing is to adjust it to fit in, and then we want to group them. So click from the up and drag it together, and then go and look at the top corner group. Click on group. It means that all of them now can now work together as one. It's a logo, so they can, every element there has now been grouped as one. So the next thing now, after we have grouped them, is to increase the size, make it a bit big so that it can occupy a very good portion of the space and can be read well. Click on edit image, click on dual tone, and then you will see different colorations that we want to give it. Then let's see, okay, and click on dual tone, click on the color you want so that you can see what it will do now. It will separate them by colors. Yes, so the upper part has been given that beautiful pink color or orange color or whatever. Then so we'll go click on that black line and change the color again. So click on that line and then click on color. You can see the color up. It's now black, but click on it so it can give us other options. So I'm taking this red color or pink color to match up with the one on the upper part, or the blue color. Okay, I've changed it to blue. Then click on the alphabet to change the color again. I've changed the color of the alphabet. I will change it to pink also, so it can be pink, black, black, pink, or pink, blue, pink. It depends on whatever color you want. So it's pink, blue, black, pink. Then the next thing is to download it. Now our logo is ready in 2D. This is 2D logo. Click on download. It's page 3, so click on page 3 to download it, and then click download so that we can now take it from here to turn it to 3D logo. So click download. We are waiting for it to be downloaded now. Good. 2D logo is downloaded from Canva now. Next thing is to go to Photopea to go and turn it to 3D logo. When you get to Photopea, click on that PSD template. When you click on that PSP template, it will give you, this is it, you have clicked on it, now give you plenty of templates you can turn your 2D logos to in 3D. So different ones here. Scroll till you see the one you want. So I'm using this one. Click on that one, the one whatever you want, click on it. Then it brings you here. Then click on this link, the last link, and then it brings you to this page. Then double click on that place that said put your logo. This one that says your logo. Double click on it so that one can disappear, and then click on the eye to take it away. Then drag the one you downloaded, the 2D logo you downloaded, to this place, which is this one. Once you drag it here, expand it, let it be big because it can reduce the size. Then click on file, click on smart objects, as save as smart objects. Then click on this angle that say create 3D logo just once. Click on it and see what will happen. Boom! That's turned our 2D logo to 3D logo. Here you have it. Simple step by step. Your 3D logo. It can be anything. Once you have designed it from there, drop it here, it turns it to 3D logo. So that is it. Next time you want to create a logo for your friend or yourself or your business, it is this simple. The next thing is to save the logo we have created, the 3D logo, either to save it as PSD, or you can come to this point that shows arrow of downloading. So this one is still the PSP one. You just save it the way you want it, or you come to that arrow up that is showing down, then click on it and download as either PNG or SVG. That's it. That one that shows arrow down. Beside it, you see PNG or SVG. Click the one you want and it will download it for you. So that's it. Simple ways to create your 3D logos using Canva and Photopea. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. And don't forget to share with your friends. so that they can benefit from this video. Thank you.